Alright, this video goes out to all the heterosexual haters out there who said two heterosexual men living together couldn't keep a glass table clean. Well, they didn't know that I'm an expert with one of these, former Gold Coast high-rise window cleaner. So they were right though, most of the time it looks terrible. But this is the tabletop that is going to be unbolted from these legs and dropped into the new Jarrah table frame. So when some muscle returns to the room, we're going to take these legs off and then pop this glass into the new table. Right, here's my table glistening in the sun, like Paul Hogan. I'll just go around so you can see how all the corner joints came up. I'm very happy with them, some more than others, but as you can see, that bog works well. Little break out there. I thought I might have had a bit of my marker left there, but that's a bit of a crack there that's been filled with the putty. So I'm very happy with how it turned out. So here's the new table frame. It's all been finished off. 2 coats of varnish on here. One was done very late last night, so it looked a bit ordinary, but I got up early this morning, gave it another coat, and I think it looks reasonably spectacular. So the old one pulls apart, and then the glass off it goes in here. Alright, the next order of business, this is the old table. It's just got these tube legs that are only marginally thicker than a drink can, and they've just got this threaded rod through the middle with a bolt. So I'm just going to pull these apart, then we can drop the old glass into the new table. One temporary drawback is that these plates that the legs attached to are glued on. They will remain like that for the foreseeable future, or until I order a new piece of glass for this. Alright, here's the test. Got the frame in, it looks beautiful. Now we just got to flip the glass, drop it in the hole. Alright, it's close but not close enough. So there's just a bit of paint mainly in this corner. I'll just chisel that out, and I think we'll be so close to fitting. One idea I had with this table is, now that it's 130 mils wider and the legs are right on the corner, I was wondering if this could go from being a 6-seater to an 8-seater. So let me just put the chairs in and see how close we can get. That proves to me that it's possible. Just everyone at the party would have to be quite good friends. There'd be a lot of legs under the table, but at least you'd be able to see who the offenders were if anything sus happened.